Hello, children. I am number 33. 3 and 3 together make number 33.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 33. This is number 33. 3 and 3 together make number 33. The spelling of number 33 is THIRTY, THREE, 33. It comes after 32 and before 34. Now, children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 33 balls. Very good, children. See you all.
Look, I have 3 apples. Nice. I have 2 oranges. Let's put them together. How many fruits do we have now? 1, 2, 4, 5. We have 5 fruits.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn addition. Addition means putting things together. Look at the fruits. There are 3 apples and 2 oranges. How many fruits are there in total? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fruits. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now look at the balls. There are 4 white balls and 2 red balls. How many total balls are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Look at the jars. There are 3 butterflies in one jar and 3 in another jar. How many butterflies are there in total? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 butterflies. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good, children. Today we learned addition.
Look.
Ball means a round object to play with. Bell means something that rings. Sell means to give something for money. Mall means a large shopping place. Kill means to cause death. Fall means to go down. Dull means not bright or not interesting. Tall means having great height. Tell means to say something. Fill means to make something full.
Welcome back, children. These are 4-letter words with L. All these words have 4 letters and end with double L. Let us read them again together. Ball, bell, sell, dull, tall. Tell, fill, maul, kill, fall. These words help us learn the sound of L. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 89. 8 and 9 together make number 89. Hello, children. I am number 90. 9 and 0 together make number 90.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 89 and 90. This is number 89 and 90. 8 and 9 together make number 89. The spelling of number 89 is EIGHTYNINE. 89. 9 and 0 together make number 90. The spelling of number 90 is NINETY, 90. Now, children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 89 circles and 90 caps. Very good, children.
Hello.
Bat has a fall.
Ben had a ball and a bat.
The cat is in the well. The cat is in the well. The cat is in the well. Ben and Bob pull the pram. Tom and Dick go up the hill.
Tom and Dick go up the hill.
The ball fell in the well. The ball fell in the well.
Welcome back, children. Today we will read some simple sentences together. Pat has a fall. Ben had a ball and a bat. The cat is in the well. Ben and Bob pull the pram. Tom and Dick go up the hill. The ball fell in the well. Very good, children. You read all the sentences very well.
Hello, children. I am number 34. 3 and 4 together make number 34.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 34. This is number 34. 3 and 4 together make number 34. The spelling of number 34 is THIRTYFOUR, 34. It comes after 33 and before 35. Now children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 34 balls. Very good children.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about religious festivals celebrated in India.
Holi is a festival of colors. People play with colors and enjoy together.
Eid is a festival of joy.
People pray and share food with family and friends.
Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated for Lord Ganesha. People pray and celebrate happily. Guru Nanak Jayanti is the birthday of Guru Nanak. People pray and remember his teachings.
Dussehra is a festival that shows the victory of good over evil. Diwali is the festival of lights. People light lamps and decorate their homes.
Raksha Bandhan is a special festival for brothers and sisters. They show love and care.
Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate trees and share gifts.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Welcome back children. These are some religious festivals celebrated in India. Holi is the festival of colors. Eid is celebrated with prayers and sharing. Ganesh Chaturthi and Guru Nanak Jayanti are important festivals. Dussehra shows the victory of good over evil. Diwali is the festival of lights. Raksha Bandhan shows the bond between brothers and sisters. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Very good children.
Hello.
The dog says bow wow, the cat says meow wow, the sheep says bow bow, a little pig says wee wee wee, the clock says tick tick, the hen says cluck cluck, the cock says cock a doodle doo doo.
Hello children. I am number 35. 3 and 5 together make number 35.
Welcome back children. Today we will learn about number 35. This is number 35. 3 and 5 together make number 35. The spelling of number 35 is THIRTYFIVE, 35. It comes after 34 and before 36. Now children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 35 forks. Very good children.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about different places where people go to pray.
A temple is a place where people pray to God. A church is a place where people pray to Jesus. A gurdwara is a place where people pray and listen to holy teachings. Here, worshippers gather to find peace and spiritual guidance. The Guru Granth Sahib is the sacred scripture. A mosque is a place where people offer prayers. A fire temple is a place where people pray in front of fire.
Agni Deva, Shanti Pradana Karo.
Hey Bhagwan, hame Shakti do. A stupa is a peaceful place where people pray and meditate.
Welcome back children. Different people go to different places to pray. Temple, church, gurdwara, mosque, fire temple and stupa are all places of prayer. We should respect all religions and their places of worship. Very good, children.
Look, I have 3 apples.
Wow, can I have some?
Yes, you can have 2 apples.
Thank you.
Now I had 3 apples and gave away 2 apples.
How many apples are left?
Only 1 apple is left. 3 minus 2 equals 1.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Look at the apples. There are 3 apples. 2 apples are eaten. How many apples are left? 1 apple is left. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now look at the leaves. There are 4 leaves in a bunch. 1 leaf fell down. How many leaves are left? Let us count. 3 leaves are left. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Look at the lollipops. There are 5 lollipops in a shop. 2 lollipops are sold. How many lollipops are left? Let us count. 3 lollipops are left. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now look at the ducks. There are 2 ducks in a pond. 1 duck went out. How many ducks are left? Let us count. 1 duck is left. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Very good, children.